Good morning, students of class 5. Today is Monday, and our last class was on Friday. Saturday and Sunday it was a holiday, and our last class was on Friday, and we have done the exercise of chapter number 4. We have done the exercise of chapter number 4, and still some of the exercises are left. Some exercises are there still in chapter number 4. As per the request of the students, I am repeating the chapter. बच्चों की बच्चों ने रिक्वेस्ट किया था कि सर एक बार फिर से रिपीट कर दीजिए एक्सरसाइज. सो आई एम रिपीटिंग द एक्सरसाइज वंस अगेन. So now open chapter number 4 if you have the book, and if you don't have the book, then listen to me. Look at the board carefully. It is that change the following affirmative sentence to interrogative sentence and rewrite the sentence. Yes. First simple way how to change. Let us see how. I will teach you how to change. कैसे change करते हैं. Now look here. Exercise A first. Can you see A? Yes. Change affirmative sentence. What we have? What is the instruction here given? Change affirmative sentence to change affirmative sentence to interrogative. Interrogative sentence. Okay, class 5. We have to. This is the instruction, and we have to follow this instruction. हमें इसी इंस्ट्रक्शन को फॉलो करते हुए क्या करना है, चेंज करना है. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट अस सी द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. लेट अस ऑब्जर्व द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज नंबर 1. लुक एट नंबर 1. Sheila lost her purse in the market. Now students, it's a beginning for you. It's only a beginning for you. Now let us see. Look at the board. Now how to change. कैसे change करेंगे? Do use करेंगे? Not use करेंगे? Interrogative. How to change? There is no helping verb. Helping verb is not there in this sentence. Helping verb is not there in this sentence. So how to change this sentence to interrogative sentence? So now let us first just in your mind. आप यहाँ मैं board पे करूँगा. I will do on board. But you change the sentence into negative sentence first. पहले नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में चेंज करते हैं. दिमाग में चेंज करना. मैं तो यहाँ बोर्ड पे करके आपको दिखा रहा हूँ हाउ टू चेंज. फर्स्ट आपको पता है हाउ टू चेंज. नाउ लुक हियर. नाउ फर्स्ट लुक हियर. व्हाट इज द वर्ब हियर? लॉस्ट. लॉस्ट प्रेजेंट है, पास्ट है. इट इज इन पास्ट टेंस. लुक हियर बेटा. LOST. लॉस्ट. लॉस्ट. लॉस्ट मीन्स इट इज इन पास्ट टेंस. द वर्ब इज इन पास्ट टेंस. अगर वर्ब हमारा पास्ट टेंस है, then the sentence is in past tense. Then the sentence is in past tense. ये हमारा ordinary verb है. Don't move your students, sit properly. यहाँ पे एक और है सूर्यांशु राजभर. गाना नहीं. I am not singing a song here. मैं गाना नहीं गा रहा हूँ. आदर्श कुमार, sit properly. आपका हर एक्शन दिख रहा है बेटा. Every action. I can see your each and every action. Sit properly. Listen carefully. Now look here. This is an ordinary verb. If there is a ordinary verb in a sentence, then we use, क्या use करते हैं हम? Do, does for present tense. Do, does is for present tense, and did is for what? Past tense. Do you understand? Do, does हम present के लिए use करते हैं और did for past tense. Now what we are going to do? We have to change this sentence to interrogative sentence first. हमें इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस में चेंज करना है. नो हाउ टू चेंज इन इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. हाँ, नाउ इट बिकम लिटिल टफर कि हम क्या यूज करें. हाउ टू चेंज. व्हाई शीला लॉस्ट हर पर्स इन द मार्केट? नो, इट्स रॉन्ग. नाउ हाउ टू चेंज. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डू वन थिंग. सबसे पहले एक काम करो, इसको चेंज इन नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. सो शीला लॉस्ट इज पास्ट टेंस, सो वी विल यूज हियर डिड प्लस not. Sheila did not lose. अब यहाँ पे हमारा lose की जगह क्या होगा? Lose her purse. Her purse in the market. In the market. Now I hope you can change it into interrogative sentence. Now use this helping verb. Did Sheila lose her purse in the market? I hope you understand. Clear, students? Clear, everybody? Students of class 5? Clear? Thank you. Now let us move to second question. Let us move on to second question. Here question mark will be there. Look here. Question mark. Last में. Yes. Now let us see the second question. Yes, I'm right. Let me write here. Let me occupy the full word. Yes, okay. My mother cooks. My mother cooks in the morning. In the morning. My mother cooks in the morning. Now change it to interrogative sentence. Now it is in present tense. Here the verb is in present tense. So we are going to use here do or does. So I am going to use here does because my mother is a singular subject. Does my mother cook? Now see the changes here. Cook in the morning. In the morning. Question mark. Now let us see the third one. Move on to the third question. I want some money. I want some money. It is also want, wanted, want. It is in present tense. So हम do use करेंगे. Because why I am going to use do? Because subject I is plural. Do I want some money? Do I want some money? Question mark. Now move on to number 4. The sun shines. The sun shines brightly. The sun shines brightly. Now change it to interrogative sentence. Does. Because here the sun is singular subject. For singular we will use does. Does the sun. Now see the changes again. Shine. Not shines. It will be shine. Does the sun shine brightly? Question mark. Fine. Now look at question number 5. The girl was plucking. The girl was plucking flowers. Now look at this sentence carefully. In this case, there are two verbs. In this sentence, there are two verbs. The first one here, this is the helping verb or the linking verb, and this is the main verb. Means this is your helping verb and this is your main verb. इससे पहले बेटा इसके ऊपर जितने भी sentence आ रहे थे अभी वो सारे क्या थे हमारे main verb. Main verb. Again here what? This is also main verb. Here signs. It's also a main verb. So in this case, अगर there is only ordinary verb, अगर सिर्फ ordinary verb sentence में रहता है, means only main verb is there, then we will use what? If there is one verb, means a sentence consists of only one verb. अगर किसी sentence में केवल एक ही verb है, then we are going to use do, does, and did. Do, does for present and did for past tense. Do, does for present or simple present tense, and did is for past tense. And do we use with plural subject, and does we are going to use with a singular subject. Now in this case there are two verbs. अगर दो वर्ब है तो हम नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में कैसे चेंज करते थे? द गर्ल वॉज के बाद हम नॉट यूज करते थे. जस्ट आफ्टर द हेल्पिंग वर्ब एंड बिफोर द मेन वर्ब वी वर यूजिंग नॉट, नहीं का प्रयोग करते थे. द गर्ल वॉज नॉट प्लकिंग फ्लावर्स. यस. नाउ इन दिस केस अगर हमें इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस में चेंज करना है तो शिफ्ट हेल्पिंग वर्ब जस्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट. नाउ किसे शिफ्ट करना है हमें? यहाँ पे वी हैव टू शिफ्ट हियर. नाउ वॉज the girl, was the girl plucking, was the girl plucking flower, was the girl plucking flowers? Fine. Here it will be a question mark. Clear? Students, clear? You have to practice. बेटा आपको practice तो करना पड़ेगा. Anyhow you have to practice. Okay? Now, is there any problem? No problem, na? Done. Pratyaksha Raj. Pratyaksha Raj Rai. Done. बेटा समझ में आया? Show me your thumb. Yes sir बोलोगे मुझे सुनाई नहीं देगा. Yes, yes, that's the way to respond. अगर आपको respond करना है मुझे मेरी बातों को तो सीधा thumb उठाओ कि हाँ sir clear है, it's clear. So 5 questions we have done. Now let us move on to other questions. Now let us move on to other question. That is the next question, question number 6. Next question, question number 6. Let us see question number 6, students. Look at question number 6. He is an honest man. Now we have to change this sentence. This is an assertive sentence. Now let us change this one. He is not an what? अगर यहाँ पे helping verb के बाद not use करते हैं, means this is your helping verb. There are two verbs. Only one verb here. Do does नहीं लगेगा यहाँ पे. He is an what? This is a simple tense, simple present tense. So what we are going to use here? We are going to shift the what? We are going to shift the helping verb just in front of the subject. यानी shift का मतलब ये हुआ बेटा कि हमें helping verb को ठीक subject की पहले लिखना है ताकि हम इसे किस में चेंज कर सकते हैं, ताकि हम इसे इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस में चेंज कर सके. नाउ लुक हियर. इज ही एन ऑनेस्ट मैन? इज ही एन ऑनेस्ट मैन? क्वेश्चन मार्क. नाउ व्हाट आई हैव डन, I have shifted the helping verb, the auxiliary verb just in front of the subject. Now let us see question number 7. The children arrived on time. Now in this case, now look at a verb. It's a main verb, no helping verb नहीं है, ये main verb है and this main verb is in present past. किसमें है बेटा? अगर present है तो one दिखाओ, and if it is in past tense then show me your second finger. This sentence is in present or past? Very good. This is in past tense. Yes. Look here. Arrive, present tense. This is present tense. What is the past participle? Arrived. Means it is in past tense, right? Means the sentence, this sentence is in past tense. अगर ये past tense में है, then what we are going to use? If only main verb is used. Main verb केवल प्रयोग हुआ है, तो हम क्या use करेंगे? Did. क्या use करेंगे? Did. Yes. Now we are going to use here did. Did the children? Did the children? अब ये changes हो जाएगा verb का first form means present tense में. Arrive. Did the children arrive on time? Did the children arrive on time? See the changes. बेटा यहाँ पे जो changes हो रहा है check करो. Arrive, arrive, arrived, arrive. हमने इसको past में यहाँ कर दिया. ये did से पता चलता है कि past है. So we don't need to change. We don't need to use the past form or second form of the verb. यहाँ पे verb का हम first form use करेंगे because हमने यहाँ पे क्या use कर लिया है? Did use कर लिया है. Did से हमें पता चल जाता है कि ये पूरा sentence क्या है? Past tense में है. Now let us see. Number 8. The boys ran, R-A-N, ran down the mountain. Down the mountain. The boys ran down the mountain. Now look here again. यहाँ पे कोई हेल्पिंग वर्ब नहीं है. Is, am, are, was, were, can, could, shall, should, may, might, would. ये सारा कुछ नहीं है. It's not there. Now what is this? It's a main verb. Now what again we are going to use here? Do, does, did. ये past tense में है बेटा. Ran. Ran is in past tense. So we will use here did. Did the boys. Did the boys. Now here ran का क्या हो जाएगा? Run. R-U-N. Run. This. Did the boys run down the mountain? Run down the mountain. Run down the mountain. Question mark. Yes. Now let us see question number 9. Let us see question number 9. Mohan is a good singer. Mohan is a good singer. Now here बेटा क्या हो रहा है हमारा यहाँ पे? ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब है ना यहाँ पे, तो इसको हम ठीक सामने कर देंगे. वी विल चेंज इज मोहन. इज मोहन अ गुड. इज मोहन अ गुड सिंगर. इज मोहन अ गुड सिंगर. क्वेश्चन मार्क. यस. नाउ लेट अस सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. लेट अस सी. आई एम राइटिंग हियर. लेट मी राइट हियर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. She helped, ed. She helped a poor man. She helped a poor man. Now look here. Look at the tense of the sentence. Sentence का tense पहचानो पहले. It is in past tense. Helped. Verb क्या लगेगा? Do, does, did. Yes. Did she? इसका changes होगा help. H-E-L-P. Help. Did she help a poor man? Did she help a poor man? Question mark. This is the 10th question from question number 6 to question number 10. Clear? Clear? Everybody? Achal? Clear? Okay, fine. Thank you. Thank you, students. Thank you. Now, let us move on to the next exercise. That is exercise number B. एक्सरसाइज नंबर बी. स्टूडेंट्स लेट अस सी द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. आई होप आप सबको मैंने बुक नहीं है लेकिन मैंने एक्सरसाइजेस सेंड किया हुआ है आपको. यस, आई हैव सेंड एक्सरसाइज. मैंने एक्सरसाइज सेंड किया है ना लेसन नंबर 4 का. आई हैव सेंड एक्सरसाइज ऑफ लेसन नंबर 4 टू यू ऑल. यस, सबको सेंड किया है. राइट? प्रतीक्षा, हैव यू गॉट? आपको मिला है एक्सरसाइज नंबर 4? व्हाट अबाउट आंचल? Okay, now let us see the exercise number B. Change and rewrite the interrogative sentence into affirmative sentence. अब हमें क्या करना है बेटा? Interrogative sentence को affirmative में करना है. हम अभी क्या कर रहे थे? What we were doing? We were changing from affirmative to interrogative sentence. Now we will do the opposite, from interrogative to affirmative. हमें ये करना है. Affirmative we have done in exercise A में हमने क्या किया? We have changed from affirmative to interrogative sentence. In exercise number B, we are going to change from interrogative to assertive sentence. Okay, now let us see. Number 1, yes, number 1. Are the cousins? Are they cousins? Question mark. We will change here. Number 2, does he have a car? Does he have a car? Question mark. We will change here. Number 3, can you wait? Question mark. Next here. Number 4, are the sums difficult? Are the sums difficult? Question mark. Next we are going to change here. Number 5, Did he behave? Did he behave well? Question mark. Number 6. Did you see it? Question mark. Number 7. Are they listening? Are they listening? Question mark. Fine, students. Now let us change here. They are cousins. Are they cousins? क्या करेंगे हम? हेल्पिंग वर्ब को अब यहां यूज करेंगे, शिफ्ट कर देंगे. They are cousins. Full stop. They are cousins. Full stop. हम क्वेश्चन मार्क यूज नहीं करेंगे. Next, does he have a car? Does हम अलग से यूज करते थे. Does he have a car? Next here, what we are going to use? He has a car. Next, can you wait? Can you wait? No, shift it here. You can wait. Now change it again. Are the sums difficult? Same thing. Use the helping verb or auxiliary verb just after the subject. Here, the sums are difficult. The sums are difficult. Now change it again. Did he behave well? यहाँ पे याद करना होगा आपको. यहाँ पे ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. Now look here. You have to take care in this sentence. If the sentence is in past tense, did use हुआ है, तो verb हमारा यहाँ पे जब हम change करेंगे, वो third form means it should be in past tense. It should be in past tense. Listen carefully, students. ध्यान से देखिएगा. अगर यहाँ पे did use हुआ है, तो अगर when we change it this sentence from interrogative to affirmative sentence, so while changing in affirmative sentence, we are going to use the second form of the verb, not the first form. Now look here. He behaved. B-E-H-A-V-E-D. Now look here. Changes क्या हुआ यहाँ पे देखिए. Look this one. Can you see? Behave, behaved. He behaved well. Full stop. Yes. Now again. Now let us see. Did you see it? यहाँ पे भी हमें वही चीज वर्ब को ध्यान से देखना होगा. Because this is in past tense. Did हम यूज नहीं करेंगे. So you saw. S-A-W. You saw it. You saw it. Now look at number 7. Are they listening? Are they listening? Means यहाँ पे जो simple है, you can change it. They are listening. They are listening. Any problem? And no problem, na? Clear? Fine. Thank you. Now look at question number 8. Will she complete her work on time? Work on time. Question mark. Change करो बेटा इसको. Will हम क्या यूज करेंगे? She will. Just after the subject. She will. Yeah. She will complete her work on time. Full stop. Number 9. Will she meet you? Question mark. Change it. Same thing. Use the auxiliary verb just before the subject. Use the auxiliary verb just before the subject. She will meet you. She will meet you. Full stop. Now see again question number 10. Is Sita an honest girl? Question mark. Change it. Same thing, change again. Use the auxiliary verb just before the subject. Sita is an honest man. Sita is an honest girl. Sorry, it's not a man, but it's a girl. Now number 11. Look at number 11. Does the train now? Yes. Any problem? Any doubt, students? Look at the board carefully. Clear, no? Fine. Thank you. Now, look at the next question carefully. Look at the next question carefully. Yes, that is number 11. Does the train leave on time? Does the train leave on time? Look here. It is in present, simple present tense. किसमें है बेटा ये? It is in simple present tense. Does the train leave on time? Now change it. हम ये use नहीं करेंगे. Now change it. The train leave, L-E-A-V-E. बेटा हमने यहाँ पे ये remove कर रहे हैं तो हम यहाँ पे as singular के लिए हम यहाँ as add कर देंगे. Does अगर does है sentence में तो verb में हम as या es add करेंगे. The train leaves on time. Now number 12. Look at number 12. I hope you can do this. Is there no way? Is there no way to solve it? Is there no way to solve it? Question mark. It's an interrogative. Now change it again. Use the auxiliary verb just before the subject that there is no way to solve it. To solve it. Fine. I hope you understand and the exercises are over. Tomorrow we will study or go through the chapters of English literature. Chapter number 9, The Lazy Frog. Now, any doubt, students? Is there any doubt? कोई doubt हो? Chapter number 4, I have repeated 3 times. मैंने ये 3 times repeat किया हुआ है. I hope it is clear. Now, if you have any doubt regarding this chapter number 4, then you can ask me. Students, don't disturb the class. And if you have, अगर आपको कोई doubt है, then you can